Next, a Pfizer executive is admitting that the drug maker's COVID-19 vaccine was not tested on preventing transmission. This is during a meeting of the European Parliament. Take a look.
European Parliament member Roos pressed a Pfizer executive about the company's COVID-19 vaccine during a Parliament session on Tuesday. Here's a clip of that exchange.
Was the Pfizer COVID vaccine tested on stopping the transmission of the virus before it entered the market? If not, please say it clearly. If yes, are you willing to share the data with this committee? And I really want a straight answer, yes or no.
Regarding the question around, did we know about stopping immunisation before it's entered the market? No. We had to really move at the speed of science to really understand what is taking place in the market.
The lawmaker who represents the Netherlands posted the exchange on Twitter, which has generated over 5 million views by Tuesday afternoon. In it, he also spoke out against vaccine passports.
This removes the entire legal basis for the COVID passport. The COVID passport that led to massive institutional discrimination as people lost access to essential parts of society. I find this to be shocking, even criminal. This is scandalous. Millions of people worldwide felt forced to get vaccinated because of the myth that you do it for others. Now this turned out to be a cheap lie. This should be exposed.
Back in late 2020, the FDA wrote that there was no data available to determine whether the vaccine would prevent transmission of the virus or for how long. The agency said, quote, "At this time, data are not available to make a determination about how long the vaccine will provide protection, nor is there evidence that the vaccine prevents transmission." And around the same time, Pfizer CEO Albert Bourla said his firm was not certain if those who receive its vaccine will be able to transmit COVID-19 to other people. Initially, a number of officials in the United States and around the world claimed that COVID-19 vaccines could prevent transmission. Later, Dr. Fauci, CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky, and others pivoted to say the vaccine prevents severe disease, hospitalization, and death from COVID-19.
Meanwhile, the CDC won't release its review of heart inflammation reports following COVID-19 vaccination. It has been submitting reports on the topic to the Vaccine Adverse Event Reporting System. But the agency says federal law prevents it from releasing the results.